Okay, here's part 7. This is after the topper, which is the very last thing. Got my windows coated. My windshield has 2 coats. All my plastic, everything. Everything's been coated. It's got the topper on it. Of course, that's my hood protector, not bug shield, hood protector. That bumper came out looking a lot better than I thought it was with all them rock chips that it had in it, but it came out extremely nice, real nice. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, it's just as shiny, but it's more so, it gave it more depth. That's what the toppers do. This one come out looking really, really well. It is just sweet. Back over here. Again on top.